name?
David Dominic Madrill III.
All right. Mr. Madrill, you're here because you're charged with first-degree murder. You were previously charged with this, and I did your initial appearance last time as well. My understanding is that it got dismissed and refiled. I am going to enter a not guilty plea for you. You do have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney, and I'm appointing the public defender's office to represent you. Pretrial Services is recommending that I set a bond based on the nature of the offense, and the state is asking for a $1 million bond, again set based on the nature of the offense. And defense counsel, do you want to be heard?
Yes, please, Judge. We understand that these charges are serious. However, Mr. Madrill is just 1 on 6 on the FDA scale. Surprisingly, there is no NVCA flag. He is a lifelong Tucson resident. He's a full-time student, and his father is able to provide support by taking him to court and providing housing. So for all those reasons, we think a $100,000 bond is appropriate. Thank you.
All right, so the first time I did the initial appearance on this charge, I thought very long and hard about what to do with this case, and I had set the bond at $250,000. This time there is additional information in the probable cause statement that was not available last time, specifically just the last paragraph. Or I guess it's 2 paragraphs, beginning with on 03/12/2024. When setting release conditions, it's my job to consider community safety and risk of failure to appear for court, not punishment. The risk of failure to appear hasn't changed, in my opinion. The question is really whether the new information makes me more concerned about community safety. And frankly, it does. It increases my concern about community safety. So I'm going to set a bond that is higher than last time, but not what the state is requesting. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $350,000 secured. If that bond is posted, sir, you're released to pretrial services. Otherwise, the conditions are essentially the same as last time. No alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons. Submit to any monitoring or treatment that's directed by pretrial. You're not allowed to have any contact with the victim's family, and you cannot go to the residence, workplace, or school of any of the victim's family members. Your next court date on this is a preliminary hearing on March 25th at 1:30 in the afternoon. Sir, you do need to appear for that hearing. If you're not there, a warrant could issue. Do you have any questions about what I just did?